Hi guys. Right, what's just arrived in the mail today? This. Not a fun one. It'll go well with the Airfix Motorhead Bomber HE 111. It's just turned up. Ordered it from Jadlam Racing. I ordered it Sunday afternoon. It arrived just before 1 o'clock Tuesday, so fantastic service from them. I ordered the kit. I knew what it was, but what I didn't realise was that it gets a few paints and a little drop of contactor cement and a brush. But most of all, it comes with two Iron Maiden Eddie figures. Haven't even done that in the box yet. It's just their Spitfire Mark II, which I believe has raised panel lines, and I thought it would be a good fun build. During a recent Hobbycraft sale, I picked up the Mark IX 1/32 Spitfire, and I'm thinking, shall I use the figures in that? But anyway, we'll have a look. We'll crack the box open now and see what's in it. Got a knife here. Sorry that my camera is zoomed out as much as it can and almost as high as it will go on the little stand I've got. So sorry if it's not all in shot. Right, let's see what's in there. I'll do is just take it out of the box off camera. It's obviously got instructions, some plastic, more plastic, Eddie figure 1, clear parts, small plastic parts for the props, and a small bit of glue and a ruined brush by the looks of things. Right, let's have a look. Now, these are the bits that I bought it for. I'm quite an Iron Maiden fan, I've seen them several times. You're going to have to excuse the rustling of the packs, but let's do Eddie last, shall we? We'll pop that over there. Right, clear parts. Clear parts, not the best, but certainly not the worst. At least they're clear. There's some sort of what looks like a blemish in the middle there of the cockpit canopy. Not quite sure what that is. Don't know if you guys whether it'll pick that up. Anyway, they're the clear parts. Various different bits. You've got the gun sight, lights, armoured glass, cockpit front. So that's those. Those down on that open drawer, watch them slide about, fall off. This bit's got maybe I'll put these back in the bags as we go. We've got propellers and wheels by the looks of things in here, radiator grills, that's a footstep, isn't it? Yeah, separate prop blades. So basically there's two of each of those, sprues S and H. Somebody getting annoyed out there with the car horn blaring. To be honest, it does look like I was wrong. It is recessed panel lines, which is rather good. I thought their Mark II had raised panel lines. Must be another kit. So, this is obviously the main wings. I'll try and bring them up to the camera. I don't know if it's focusing, so forgive me if it's out of focus. I only have one light off to the side here, and it's a typically gloomy winter day here in England. So yeah, lots of rivet detail and panel lines. That's top surface of the wings. So obviously you've got a left and a right of those, and you've got the main lower wing. Really nice mouldings actually. Could you build it as a clip wing spit? I doubt it. Mark II's didn't. Mark V's? Did they start with that? Mark V's? Not sure. Fuselage halves, really nicely modded. Well done, Revell. Really impressed with it. I don't know how well this shows up, I'm afraid. I'm going to invest in some better lighting, or at least there's another light coming in from the other way. So obviously you've got a left and a right of those as well. So try and move it across so hopefully you get a bit of a view of it. Pop those back in the bag. Already has the smallest amount of tape on the bag, but it always manages to stick to it. And excuse me coughing, I've had a cold and I can't seem to shake the final bits of it. So we've got spinner and back plate and some little like intake vents. Got the lower cowling undercarriage doors, exhausts moulded in 2 halves there. Then you've got ailerons, 2 halves, cockpit instrument panel there, tail wheel, presumably the cockpit floor. There's quite a bit of flash on that, look, just on this intake, quite a bit of flash. So, but apart from that, it looks okay. Seat, throttles, the rudders, not sure. Throttle controls, oxygen bottle. Yeah, nicely moulded. That's that one piece with a bit of flash. Then we've got wingtips, tops and bottoms, tail planes, tops and bottoms, rudder and 2 different styles of rudder. Not sure. Oh, there's the wheel wells. More of the cockpit and presumably, I don't know what they are. Oh, they might be inner walls for the fuselage. We'll have a look in the instructions in a minute. We will run through those in a minute. I'm going to keep you in suspense over the eddy bits. Right, so we've got the instructions and of course a decal sheet. Printed in Italy, so does that mean they're cartographed, but quite good. You've got Aces High, Iron Maiden, some eddies, and then you've got bigger Iron Maiden, an alternative, roundels, basic cockpit decal. Might be worth getting Edward or somebody's cockpit set for this, but they look quite nice. They're in register, I guess. Yeah, they look okay to me. Excuse me again. Okay, so you got the usual pictorial guides, wash the parts before use, cutting things off with a hobby knife, test fitting before you glue, use of paint, basic things, how to put the decals on, modelling tools you'll need, the what all the symbols mean, paints, obviously Revell paints, mix ratios, parts, tree sprues, whatever you like to call them. And I'll let you start off with the eddy figures, look. Isn't that brilliant? So you got 2 of them. One of them giving a Churchill salute, that's in the flying figure. Excellent, love it. And then it carries on with the painting up the cockpit. Still on the cockpit seat back, installing eddy. Yeah, they were sidewalls for the cockpit by the looks of things. Halfway through and you haven't even put the fuselage halves together yet. Wings going together, being attached, tailplanes, rudders and fin, tailplane, collection of control surfaces, wingtips going together and being installed, bottom cowling going on. Or you can mould it with flaps up or flaps down. all various intakes, coolants for the coolers for the oil and coolant. Exhausts going together, being installed. Undercarriage, wheels, legs. Undercarriage doors being installed. Might be worth doing this one in flight if it's possible. Pitot tube, cockpit door, canopies, rear view mirror, nav lights, aerial. Propeller going together. Just push fit. And then you got the standing eddy next to it if you fancy doing a pose like that. So we've got standard colours, sky underneath, dark earth, and I don't know what the other colour is it dark brown? Colourblind, so no, don't use their correct colours. So you've obviously got 3 versions. You could actually do the stage version. I like that. Is that did they have one in one of their shows? I think they might have done. So you got one you can have Iron Maiden Aces high underneath if you fancy doing that. So good fun build. Good fun build. Oh sorry, that's just 2 versions, isn't it? That's the other side. So I'm definitely going to be doing that one. That's the instructions. And the usual sort of thing. Cheapy brush. That's in good condition, isn't it? I'll leave it in some water to see if it will straighten out a bit. Oh, as usual, little pot of contactor cement. And 5 paints. Himmel blue, sky. Dark green. Leather brown. Dark earth and anthracite. So little paints, they're useful I guess for odds and ends. A lot of people don't like Revell paints, I don't think I've ever used them. Right, I guess the moment you've all been waiting for, the eddy figures. When I can get in. So I'll try and bring them up to the camera, put my hand behind, hopefully it'll focus on that. So yeah, 2 figures, 1 seated, 1 standing. Very good. Revell, and he's got 2009, it doesn't say Iron Maiden on it. Yeah, great fun, look forward to that. Unfortunately, I don't think my figure painting skills will be good enough to do it justice. But as I say, it'll be a fun build. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed this very brief review of the Revell Iron Maiden Aces High Mark II 1/32 scale Spitfire. So, stay tuned for more infrequent videos. Hope you're all well, and if I don't put any more up, excuse me, my voice is going in. I'd just like to wish you all a very happy Christmas, and to you and your families, and all the best for 2020. And I hope you get lots of modelling done. And over Christmas, I hope you eat lots and drink plenty, but don't go to excess. Cheers.